For today's video, guys, we're gonna grind for 1010 to 1020. Let's go. Escaper. Snowtrooper. Roll. I'm currently using Blizzard Fruit because Divinity uses this in Battlefield. It has very good AoE damage and their tornado fries. Right now, right? But I'm still awake, I don't know. I'm so laggy. Oh, I thought I missed it. I'm so laggy right now. Oh, that hurts. There is a Logia fruit. It's very good too, but it will no. It's very risky out here. I did that in one shot though. He's still attacking me. Why do I miss This guy wants to fight. Bro, why did I die? I'm so weak. Years I'm still weak. Bro. Where's this guy? Grinding. What level is he? What's your name, bro? What's your name? Notice. This is level 1092. I think he needs to be there. The other side of the mountain. The wire is still here. Currently dying. Bro, stop taking. Bro, stop taking my This guy is so toxic. Can't sing like that. Go back to the cafe. I wanna see something. I'm so down. I got my home set. I cannot see it. But I'm so laggy. I'm lagging hard. Forgotten Island. Forgotten. I see it. The Forgotten. I'm so laggy, bro. I don't know why. In here, where I live is so noisy. So I don't know why. I got lightning yesterday and I ate it, but the Google says it's not good for grinding. It's medium level in grinding. But Blizzard is underrated. Underrated fruit. It's good for both grinding and eating. So many people want to fight you. They're so toxic. What's that? Nothing. Get it, bro. This is me. Luffy, Zikainam-chan. Getting a rework and Venom. They're both what I'm looking for. Spider is in stock. That's my wish, bro. That is my wish. Phoenix, Magma, and Flamor are both in stock. Let me roll something. Let me use the code. I had this artist. Wait, please get soon. No! Blade. I got Blade a million times, guys. Who wants Blade? It's only good in the first season. Please add me. Who wants to trade? You. Honestly, guys, I'm thinking. There's no offer for me. Why? Oh, wait. My stats are very not that good. My stats are chaos. I need Tiger to win. Guys, when you search when you search Crossful, guys, in global profiles, you touch that, and you can see he has the only food, and he's level 99. I don't know, I cannot count that bill. He has the only food. It's very OP, bro. We haven't got the only food, guys. The only, bro. How? Pick the action. In this year, guys. The 30 million. Did you know, guys, Uzon is trash? Oh, that's a joke. Uzon is very bad. this movie is not that good. Sanguine is the best of all. Sanguine art. Let me show you a secret. That there's the update. This Easter egg hunt of Codex. I haven't plotted everything yet, but I want this. I'm not ready yet. Just kidding. It makes me laugh. It makes me cry, bro. The Conqueror, complete a raid. Complete a raid listing. Did you know how I got the supersonic? Because a hacker was inviting me to a raid, so I joined him. He only did it in 5 minutes, and less than that, the champion type warrior win a fruit from a factory event. I got that by killing people. The curse one. I defeated Darkbeard 3 times. Spider, Quake. These 3 are trash, but Love has a good long range. Magma is good too. Dark. I need that Dark. Dark when we work. Orange skin. Tell me guys what I can do with Dark Fragment. Tell me what can I use for fragment? The Dark Fragment. that's all for today, guys. Goodbye.